G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 62 Endeavour Way in the popular suburb of Eli Waters. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This well-maintained inner suburban oasis was completed in 2007 and has been thoughtfully positioned on a low-maintenance 624 square metre allotment. Immaculate and beautifully presented in the popular bayside suburb of Eli Waters. This is where you'll enjoy the convenience and lifestyle that comes with having the Eli Waters shopping centre and other essential amenities all only minutes away, including Stockland Shopping Centre, hospitals, medical centres, golf course, beach, esplanade, cafes, restaurants and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something unique with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space and separation for everyone. The stylish galley style kitchen does include beautiful stone bench tops and that striking aqua splashback. Offering loads of storage space plus a pantry makes it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher. This home utilises its space perfectly with the vast open plan indoor living and dining areas seamlessly connecting with that fantastic covered alfresco outdoor entertaining area with timber deck. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while relaxing at the end of each day with a cool beverage overlooking that private backyard with those low-maintenance established gardens. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the open plan living and dining areas as well as the main bedroom. This home does offer 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a large walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet. This home also includes a large home office with ceiling fan, which could make up a 4th bedroom when required. The bathroom includes a shower, vanity and bath, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry includes ample linen storage and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes an oversized double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. The energy conscious will appreciate the large 6 kilowatt solar power system, and you've also got a 5,000 litre rainwater tank as well. Homes of this quality in this price point are now rare and always in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.